This is a very budget-friendly microphone from Ulanzi. It's considered to be a vlogging microphone. It consists of a transmitter and a receiver. It has a Type-C plug on it, and it's basically suitable for your mobile phone or an action camera, for example. This is the purpose I bought it for. I want to use it with my mobile phone and my action camera. I have the package which consists only from one transmitter and one receiver, and they do come with the charging box. In terms of the specifications, we can see we have a charging case with which can recharge the transmitter about 3 times, and then those are the mic specifications. You can see them right here. You can pause the video and take a look at them if you want, and those are the receiver specifications. The charging case is charging only the transmitter. The receiver is being charged by the device you plugged it into. Let's quickly unbox this, see what's coming in the package. We're being greeted with the charging box, which we're going to take out. And we have another package. So they do come in with headphones for monitoring your audio. Actually, you can plug this into the receiver and you can monitor your audio. Of course, it's best if you have a second person monitoring the audio, because it's really weird you speaking into the microphone and monitoring the audio at the same time. It's going to be really disruptive. So, headphones with 3.5mm jack. Of course, charging cable, Type-C, a Type-C cable to USB-A cable. I don't know if this is yep, it just focused and you can see them. And lastly, we have the windscreen. A small windscreen which you just stick onto the transmitter so you can avoid wind noise. We'll see how this works out. That's basically everything that comes into the box. So let's see the charging case itself. Ulanzi written on the top of the case. Small LED which indicates the charging, I would assume. Then on the Type-C charging port, nothing on the back, just the hinge, and nothing on the left side as well. We have a small sticker on the back saying it has a 1000 milliampere hours of charge. And when we open the case, we're being greeted with the receiver, which has a few small buttons on it. You can control the gain and you can play back the sound. Let's put it to the side. This is actually the transmitter. It has a clip, so you can clip it to your clothes, turn it on and off. Small LED on the front. On the right side you have a slot for a micro SD card, so you could record your sound directly to the SD card, always have a backup, and even use the mic without the receiver. You can just clip it to your clothes, start the recording, and it's going to be saved on the SD card slot. On the bottom, or actually this is the top portion. On the top portion you have your omnidirectional mic, and this is the place where you clip the windscreen on. Oh, it has a small charging sticker which prevents it from charging in the case. Let me just peel that off. It's easier said than done. Okay, finally. So these are the contact points for charging in the magnetic case. It's very weight, I don't feel it though, it's most probably like 10 grams or something. Let's see how the windscreen works. You should be able just to pop it. Yep. It's like so, you just pop and twist. So they should be automatically paired, so whenever you power both of them, they should connect to each other right away, basically. As I said, you can use the transmitter without actually the receiver being connected. Really nice charging box. It's a bit plasticky, but for the price, I mean, you can't ask for more. So this is my mobile, and for example, you just plug in the receiver. As you can see, the LED turns on, it starts blinking, and if I power on the transmitter, as you can see, they instantly connected to each other. The lights are not blinking, so this means they are connected. And let's see if anything is coming actually out of the mic. So if we start, we go on Pro Video, where we can monitor the sound. I don't know if you can see the sound levels over here. Let me try and focus on them. If I tap on the mic or I'm speaking, you can see the sound levels moving. I'll take the mic away so it doesn't pick up my voice. And as you can see, I'm tapping the mic again right now. So this works flawlessly. What I've read on the description of the mic when I was buying it is that it has some automatic noise level reduction or noise cancelling. It should absorb the noises around you if you're in a noisy environment and try to reduce them as much as possible. We'll test that if I have some windy weather outside. We'll see how the sound is. Also, you can use this with an action camera such as the DJI Osmo Action. Let me actually bring one and test. So this is my DJI Osmo Action 4. It's not going to fit with the protective case, so we need to remove that. I've went and removed the door, the one which protects the USB-C charging slot. And what you're doing is basically you plug it in here. It goes in very snug. And when I power the DJI, it's a small caveat that you can actually power it with the mic plugged in because it blocks the power button. And as you can see, there again, the transmitter and the receiver are connected. And I don't know if you can see on the Osmo, the sound levels are on the left. Taking the microphone and start tapping it. Moving the mic aside so it doesn't pick up my voice. And tapping it. I'm going to do a sample with both the DJI and my mobile just to see how they sound compared to each other. I'm going to do a test with the mic and without the mic, and if I have some windy conditions outside, we can see how the actual wind noise reduction or noise cancelling works on the mic. Let's see some of the samples that I did with the mic. So guys, this is the sound coming from my Samsung Note 20 Ultra without a mic. As you can see, I have my filming setup behind me. I have my camera with my boom mic connected to it. This is what you were hearing before that. This is how it sounds with the built-in mic and my Galaxy. Let me plug in the Ulanzi and see if it's any better than that. So now I have plugged in the Ulanzi on my sweatshirt, as you can see, and it's recording directly into the phone. I have it about, I don't know, 10 centimeters from my mouth, and I'm holding the phone at the same length as previously I was holding it. So you tell me if this sounds any better than the built-in mic on my Galaxy. So this was the test with the Galaxy. Let's do another one with the DJI Osmo and see how it sounds. So guys, this is the sound coming from the built-in DJI Osmo Action 4 mic. I'm holding it at the same length that I was holding my Galaxy before that. And this is how the built-in mic sounds. Now I'm going to switch to the Ulanzi mic and check if there's any difference. Okay, so now we're recording into the Ulanzi mic. It's connected to my DJI Osmo, and same as before, it's clipped onto my switcher, and I'm same 10 meters from my mouth. This is how the sound is sounding with the Ulanzi mic on the DJI Osmo Action 4. And now we're going to go outside and see how it performs. So I'm currently outside and it's quite a windy day. This is the sound coming of my Samsung Galaxy without the mic. I think that you can pick up noise, you can pick up wind, you can pick the surrounding cars. I'll now quickly switch to the mic without the windscreen, see how that sounds, and after that I'm going to put the windscreen. Be right back. Okay, so now I'm filming with the mic. The mic is clipped on the inner side of my jacket, and same, there are cars around me passing by, there is wind noise. I'm hoping that the sound is better than the built-in mics in my Galaxy, but we'll see. And now I will quickly switch and put the windscreen on, see if this reduces the wind sound. And now, as you can see, I have the windscreen on. Same, the microphone is clipped to the inside of my jacket. I'm on the street and I'm walking against the wind. I hope this makes it any better, but you tell me how it sounds. I'm now going to switch to the DJI Osmo Action and see if this mic is any improvement to the built-in sound, and we're going to do the same tests. Test with the built-in mic, test with only the Ulanzi mic, and then test with the Ulanzi mic plus the windscreen. Be right back. Okay, so first this is the sound from the built-in DJI Osmo Action 4 mic. I have, you can see that this mic is on my jacket, but I'm not using it. I'm just walking against the wind. Same car sounds, wind noise. Tell me how it sounds. Okay, so now this is the sound coming from the Ulanzi mic without the wind muff. Same position, clipped on my jacket. Same street, same car sound, wind noise. Judging from the noise levels, I think it's quite high. After that, most probably in edit you have to reduce the sound. You need to reduce the volume, but yeah, I have not messed with any of the settings. This is the default settings. So let me quickly switch to the windscreen and let's see how this sounds. Okay, so windscreen on, as you can see. I'm walking against the wind once again. I'm on the busy street. I have people next to me talking. This is also a test to see how the noise cancellation works. Other than that, from what I'm seeing, I think that the mic is doing quite a decent job for the price of around $60. But yeah, I'm with my hood on since it's quite a cold day out here. And this should be it for testing, and by this time you guys should have a pretty good idea of how this sounds, and is it going to be something that's going to suit your needs, or yeah. I'm going back home and I'll give you my final thoughts. Thank you. Okay guys, so my final thoughts about the mic. If you want something cheap, something reliable, something with good sound quality, this is a really good option for you to pick. There are some cheaper options on AliExpress, for example. I don't know if they offer the same quality as this one. Ulanzi is one of the more popular brands out there. I have quite a few of their products. I'm currently filming on a Ulanzi tripod. I have Ulanzi multiple phone mounts, cold shoe mounts, and so on. Everything is really top-notch quality, and I do think that they achieved a good sound quality, and overall they have a really good product for the price you're paying. There's quite the difference with the windscreen on and the windscreen off. Also, I do think that the sound noise canceling is working, because from what I've seen in the clips I've taken outside, it was a lot noisier than the footage I actually got. I had cars going past me, I had people talking, the wind noise was quite loud, but in the end, once I saw the videos, the clips that I made, they were all with a very decent sound quality. So I do think it's doing a great job, and it's reliable. If you're looking for something budget friendly, something that's not going to break the bank, and you want to vlog with your phone or with your action cam, this is a really good option for you to consider. It's not going to work on an iPhone, for example. They offer a version which has a lightning adapter, but if you buy a lightning to Type-C adapter so you can plug it to your phone, it's not going to actually work. It's the same case with if you want to plug it to your DSLR camera or something, it's still not going to work. It's only suitable for devices that work natively with Type-C. So this would be your mobile phone, this would be your action camera, this could be your laptop. You can plug it into your laptop and have the mic. But yeah, in general, I do think this is something that you should consider, and it offers a really great sound quality for the price it comes. That's it in a nutshell. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. In the future, I'm planning to do a review of Holy Land UW-MIC Max microphone, which is one of the best out there in my opinion. And I can do a comparison between this budget-friendly mic and the Holy Land, just so we can see what the difference is between a budget-friendly mic and something high-end as the Holy Land. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.